Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. If square root of 4 positive square root of x equals to 1 positive square root of 3, what is the value of x? In the given equation, we have to solve for x. That is, we have to find the value of x. Okay, now let me write the given equation as it is. That is square root of 4 positive square root of x equals to 1 positive square root of 3. Okay, so in my first time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the square root we have over here. For that, we have to square both sides. Let me do it. Okay, so here on the left side, the square root and square root cancel out. We get 4 positive square root of x on the left side. On the right side, we have the square of a binomial over here. Okay, to get the expansion of the square of a binomial, let me consider the algebraic identity, that is a positive b, the whole square. Okay, so whenever we have the square of a binomial in this form, that is a positive b the whole square, its expansion is a square positive 2ab positive b square. Let's compare the one what we have in our problem, the one what I have written over here. At the place of a, we have 1. At the place of b, we have square root of 3. So in the expansion on the right side over here, at the place of a, we have to write 1. At the place of b, we have to write square root of 3. To get the expansion of the square of the binomial, 1 positive square root of 3, the whole square. Okay, now let me write the expansion over here. So at the place of a, we have to write that is 1 square positive 2 times. At the place of a, we have to write 1. At the place of b, we have to write square root of 3. And for b square, we have to write square root of 3, the whole square. And here the square and square root will cancel out. 4 positive square root of x equals to the value of 1 square is just 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times square root of 3 is 2 times square root of 3 positive. We have 3 over here. Now 4 positive square root of x equals to, we can combine this 1 and 3, then we get just 4, that is 4 positive 2 times square root of 3. Okay, now we can subtract 4 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 4 negative 4 will cancel out. Here positive 4 negative 4 will cancel out. I am getting square root of x equals to 2 times square root of 3. Since we have to solve for x, we have to get rid of the square root that we have for x over here. To get rid of the square root, I have to square both sides. Let me do it. So when I square both sides, the square root and square root cancel out. I have x on the left side. Here, this 2 and square root of 3 are multiplied and we have the exponent 2 in common. Whenever two quantities are multiplied and we have the exponent in common, what we can do is we can distribute the exponent 2 for each quantity and multiply the results. Then we get 2 square times square root of 3, the whole square. That is, when I distribute this 2 to this 2, I'm getting 2 square. When I distribute this 1 to square root of 3, I'm getting square root of 3, the whole square that I'm getting over here. Okay, now we have x equals to, the evaluation of this 2 square is 4, and here the square and square root will cancel out, then I'm getting 3. So x equals to 12. I got the value of x, that is 12. We find 12 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.